Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video I have this Mazda MPV. This is a 2007 model, and I'm removing the bottom skirt in this car because I need to remove this wing because it's damaged and I'm getting another wing. But I just wanted to share the process of how to remove that before I fully remove it. It just occurred to me that I could show you guys how to do it. If we look at the other side, I can show you what I've removed so far, which isn't much really. I've basically removed two plastic clips, so this one here and this one here, and these are like a Phillips plastic clip in it. So basically you undo the center of that clip, and then you remove the clip. I think I've got it here. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks like that. So you undo the center, it comes out, and then you can pull the whole clip out. What I've done after that is basically I've pulled the skirt out quite hard because it's got these white clips here. There's another one there, and then there is loads of them all along here, so you can see the clips there. So basically the actual clip is remaining there and the skirt is come off its mount. So we're gonna have to remove the clips and fit them back into the little mounts, which we'll have a look in a minute. And then same all along, there's quite a lot of them. And on these ones, I've actually used a tool to get them out. This one here. So I've got that in there, and I popped them out. It was quite hard. This one actually snapped. The little head broke. You can see that. But you can see if you can get them from there, you can perhaps get them out. But what happens to them is that they also, sometimes they break when they come out. Anyway, this one is broken already, so can't do much with that. And then it's all the way to the back. And now the way that this comes out, it needs to slide sort of forwards. So you're gonna have to get something like a hammer. Well, not something like a hammer, but a hammer. And then you're gonna have to tap this out somewhere like here. It should slide out. Let me see where it is. As you tap it, it will go sort of that way, and it should come out. You can see how it's moving. So that pin is no longer centered, it's moved a little bit this way. And that's what we need to keep doing. We need to tap it until it slides completely out. I'll try to show you where. So just there. These things have to reach the end there, and then they will and then the whole thing can come out. Alright, I think we may have reached that point. Yes. So it might be a bit of a fiddle to get this out, but some of it is already come out on its own. So there's quite a few of those things all around, but we can then sort of fiddle this out of there. And once we do, then obviously I will have access to what I need to have access. And these pins, as we mentioned before, we may have to grab them somehow and try to get them out. Maybe pull it out a bit and then try and get this in there. And then it will go missing anyway, forever. Actually, it's here. And then that, well, let me get this skirt out. Right, it came out with a bit of a fight, but in the end I managed to break one of these clips. So I'm gonna have to look. These are slightly different, and whether you can get them or not, because this is an import here in the UK, and getting bits for imports is a bit of a pain in the neck. But hopefully I can find one of these. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is that these clips, they just slide into these positions. So you just get them in there, and that's how they go. That one. And I still need to remove this one and whatnot. But the little rubbers getting damaged. But anyway, that is the idea. This is how this technically comes out. It is a bit of a pain, however, now that it's out, I can actually access these bolts here that hold the wing at the bottom, and then obviously I need to remove the rest of these in order to get this wing off. This wing is a bit more complicated than to get it completely off. You do have to remove the bumper, and removing the bumper isn't a particularly difficult thing on this car. I will try to make a video later. I've also removed it because it needs to be painted. It was in really bad condition, so now it's getting sand down. It's gonna be painted, and well, maybe before I paint it I will try to show you how it comes out. But for now, stick to the skirt. Hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching. So just a quick addition to the video. I'm here in Google and I just typed Mazda side skirt retaining clips, and these kits came up. Now a lot of Mazda models will be using the same type of clips, so as a result it wasn't as hard as I thought to find the clips. So I'm gonna buy one of these sets. These are on eBay for about, what it says there, $6.99 or $5.98, whichever one you choose, whichever kit you choose here. Most of them are on eBay. It has some of the clips, the bigger clips, the little ones that go in the front of the side skirt, and all the little white ones that plug in. So this is going to help you replace whatever clips you break. I just wanted to show you that it might not be as hard to find it as I thought.